Hey guys, here I am again. Happy Sunday! It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an Akai CR-83. It's one of my favorite decks. The main problem with this one, there was a lot of little minor stuff, like the tape door was bent and wouldn't come back down. That was an easy fix. Record button was a little crooked. I straightened that out. The counter belt was loose, so I replaced that. This is one of the few decks on which the counter still works, so I replaced that belt. And then, but the main thing that prevented the machine from being enjoyed very much was the rear jack plate, which is here's the original rear jack plate. As you can see, it's pretty well busted to pieces, and this is some really thick material here, so it must have taken quite a bit of force to break this thing. And now, you know, it's easy enough to make to cut a piece of 16 gauge steel and mount individual jacks on that piece of steel. So that's what I did here. Now this jack plate, it mounts from the inside and pokes out through openings, so I couldn't put the jacks just anywhere I wanted to. I had to precisely match the openings in the rear panel. So there's the result of that. There's a new jack plate that I made, and it is it's on a plate of 16 gauge steel, so you're not going to break this one. 16 gauge steel, that's some pretty thick stuff. It's a 0.06 inches in thickness. So let's go ahead and plug this puppy into my new jack plate and check the performance. Okay, out. It'll be right here and right here. Alrighty, let's pop a tape in and see how she does. Straighten this puppy out a little bit. Okay, here we go. Got some Neil Sedaka on deck.
A world full of chicks to get out and mix. I said that life's worth the living, so that I can see. Whoa, got a one-way. Honey, won't you take you're the average. You love some cows, a prehistoric man. I go 8. Now at last my search a TSO where
Alrighty, so there we go. We're all fixed here. As you can see, the counter moved a little bit while the tape was in there, so we know the counter worked. Reset that. Alrighty, so that takes care of that. It is Sunday, so this will be the extent of my work for the day. It is well, it's about 11:15 in the morning, and so I'm going to be spending the rest of the day curled up with a cat and probably eating everything in sight, and probably lapsing in and out of consciousness in front of the TV as well. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and this comes from Doug in Wilmington, Delaware. I get very few jobs from Delaware, so thank you very much, Doug, for your business from Delaware, and we'll see you guys next time.